Hey guys, this is Scott from Trim That Weed, and today we're going to talk about how to use cinnamon to get rid of ants naturally. This video will take you through proven, humane ways of repelling ants instead of annihilation methods using pesticides, so make sure to stick around for that. First, sprinkle cinnamon powder along ant trails. Sprinkling ground cinnamon along ant pathways and entryways is one of the most adopted ways of deterring ants with cinnamon. The cinnamaldehyde compound in cinnamon disrupts the ants' ability to follow their pheromone trails, making it difficult for them to navigate towards a food source and back to their colony. The effects of the cinnamon on repelling ants can be seen within minutes or take a couple of hours. However, it's worth mentioning that the standard culinary ground cinnamon is not potent enough to effectively deter ants, necessitating large amounts of it being used. This could be expensive and leave a lingering mess to be cleaned. Cinnamon-soaked cotton swabs. To avoid getting cinnamon on your floors, mix it with water and dab it with cotton swabs along the ants' entryways and paths. Using cinnamon leaf essential oil. Unlike ground cinnamon, cinnamon leaf essential oil is considered more concentrated and effective in getting rid of ants. Soak cotton balls in concentrated cinnamon leaf essential oil and put them in places where you see ants in your home and their entryways. Replace these balls at least once a week to maintain their efficacy in getting rid of ants. Make a cinnamon essential oil spray. Besides using soaked cotton balls in cinnamon essential oil, you can make yourself a cinnamon ant repellent spray to deter ants from your home. Add 25 drops of the cinnamon essential oil to a half cup of water in a spray bottle to make the spray. If vodka is readily available, add the 25 drops of the cinnamon essential oil to a quarter cup of vodka and a quarter cup of water to improve the suspension. Ensure you shake the mixture thoroughly before each use in pathways where ants are observed. So, there you have it. Getting rid of ants from your home using cinnamon should be that easy. I hope this helps. Feel free to leave a comment, like, and share this video. Till next time.